Hey! Welcome to your English family. Today we will learn easy daily English. We will learn bathroom English, kitchen English. You can learn English every day. Good morning. Good morning. I wake up early. I wake up early. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry hair. I put on my dress. I put on my dress. I am hungry. I am hungry. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I cook eggs and toast. I cook eggs and toast. Breakfast smells good. Breakfast smells good. I eat at the table. I eat at the table. I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice. I check my phone. I check my phone. I answer a message. I answer a message. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. I open the door. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I walk outside happily. I walk outside happily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more learning videos. Subscribe now.